Level 6, Pre-Intermediate. The Town Mouse and the Country Mouse. A country mouse once invited his cousin, the town mouse, to visit. He served bread, grains, and nuts. The town mouse tasted them and said, "Cousin, this food is plain. In the city, I enjoy cheese, cakes, and meat. Come with me, and you will see." The country mouse was curious, so he agreed. In the city, he entered a fine house. On the table was a grand feast: bread, cheese, cake, fruit, and meat. The country mouse was amazed and eager to try. Just as he began to eat, a cat ran into the room. The two mice dashed under the table, trembling. The country mouse whispered, "Cousin, I prefer my simple food in safety to your rich food in danger." And he went home, never to envy the city again.